Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com for more information about our online courses. In one of my classes this morning, we ended up discussing philosophies of life, or sentences which sum up ideas about how best to live. And one group of students were discussing the idea of being the change you want to see. As one student explained to another in the group, what it basically means is that if you want to see change in the world, you need to begin by embodying that change yourself, kind of becoming that change yourself, and hoping that others are then inspired by you and follow suit. If you follow suit, you do the same thing that someone else has just done. It's an idea or a metaphor that comes from playing cards, where sometimes in some card games you have to put down a card in the same suit as somebody else. So you have 4 suits when you're playing cards. You've got diamonds, hearts, spades and clubs. And sometimes if I put down a diamond card, you have to follow suit and put down a diamond yourself. It's a phrase you often hear in business and in political news. So you might hear something like, British Airways has decided to cut prices on transatlantic flights, and it's expected that other airlines will soon follow suit. Or a recent piece of news which was about the UK announcing the fact that we're ramping up spending on defence in light of Russia's war of aggression against Ukraine and Europe in a wider sense. And it's hoped that most other leaders in Europe will now follow suit. Sometimes maybe you hear about a particular law that's been introduced in another country, or maybe abolished in another country, and you hope that your country will soon follow suit, soon do the same thing that the other country has done. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use follow suit